name is Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated. One of the questions that we get often is, what is pre-writing and why should I do it, right? Because all I really want to do is write this document and get it over with and move on with my life. Because the reality is that a lot of people don't like writing. A lot of the professionals we work with feel like it's a secondary part of their job when actually it's a primary part of their job. One of the things we often talk about in our workshops is the document is in fact the deliverable. So that's the face of the organization. So here's how pre-writing can help. It may seem like an extra step in the process, but the reality is it can help you reduce writing time. So what pre-writing is that it's that step you take before you actually start writing the document. It's not a draft. It's just, these are the ideas I have about this, right? This is the way I'm thinking about my approach to this particular document. So it really is just an opportunity for you to get thoughts down. Some of those thoughts are going to be great. Some of those thoughts are going to be junk, but that's okay, because the idea is that you're putting your writing muscles to work in terms of helping you frame the document and think about the document and that kind of thing. There's lots of different ways to pre-write. One is called free writing. That's my favorite. It's just train of thought, stream of consciousness. I'm just getting a bunch of ideas down. You can do that. There's also brainstorming, which is just a bulleted list of ideas. There's mind mapping, which is another way to pre-write. Or you can do a combination of them, right? So the idea here is, again, you're just getting your thoughts down on paper to prepare to write that first draft. When you pre-write, I promise you that you will spend less time on the subsequent drafts. They'll be cleaner, they'll be crisper, and they'll be ready to go much faster than if you just sit down and start writing what you feel like is the first draft. Again, my name is Pam Hurley. We have over 35 years in business helping professionals write better documents. My number is 877-249-7483, or you can contact me, Pam, at hurleywrite.com. Thank you very much.